Hey guys, welcome back. This video will be the first lesson of a series of videos about the theory of flight. I will be putting each subject in a separate video so it's short and sweet. Make sure you subscribe so you follow up with me as I upload the lessons. In the past, I made a video about the 4 aerodynamic forces acting on the airplane. It would be a really good idea for you to go check that video out so you have a better general understanding. I will have it linked up here, also down in the description below. One of the 4 aerodynamic forces acting on the airplane is drag. In this video, we will be talking about the types of drag, how they form, and what can be done to reduce drag. So without further ado, let's get started. We explained drag before and we said drag is the force opposing thrust, which is the forward motion of the aircraft through the air. And all the airplane parts, without exception, produce at least one of the 6 types of drag. These types are parasite drag, induced drag, wave drag. Under parasite drag, there are actually 3 types of drags: skin friction drag, form drag, and interference drag. We will cover parasite drag and the 3 types listed under it in this video, and we will cover the rest of the drags in the next video. So what is parasite drag? Parasite drag is the drag caused by the shape of the airplane and the material the airplane is made of as well. Let's go through the different types of parasite drag one by one to clarify more.
Let's do it.
First is skin friction drag. This type of drag is produced as a result of the friction between the air and the aircraft surface. As we see here, the air, which I have in red, comes into contact with the aircraft surface, and that causes friction, of course. And the smoother the surface, the less friction there is, which means less drag. Less friction means less drag. For example, if this soccer player kicks the ball in a soccer field, it will travel a certain distance before the friction stops the ball. If the same player used the same power and kicked the ball, but this time in a beach, you will notice that the ball will travel a shorter distance compared to the first ball because the sand will cause more friction. That's why you didn't see a plane or a car or any vehicle actually designed with a rough surface, because they want to keep the friction to minimum.
Far so good.
So, to reduce skin friction drag, what you need is a smoother surface. Second type of drag that is categorized under parasite drag is form drag. Form drag is the drag that is generated by the shape of the object. So the shape of the airplane makes a difference. For example, a square or circular shape would produce more drag than an arrow shape. Why? Because there is more surface area for the air to push against on the square and circular shapes compared to the arrow shape. That's why sport cars look the way they do, and you don't see a sport car built like a school bus, because that would give more surface for the air to push against, which is not desirable if you want to travel faster. So, to reduce form drag, you need less surface for the air to act against, or for the air to push against.
Piece of cake.
Third and last type of drag categorized under parasite drag is interference drag. This drag happens at the connecting areas of the aircraft, like the connecting area between the wing and the fuselage, which I haven't highlighted in red here for you guys. And the reason this drag happens is because the airflow over and under the wing mixes with the airflow around the fuselage, causing the airflow to be disturbed, and that creates drag. To reduce the interference drag, you need fairings. The fairings will smoothen the airflow around the intersection areas, causing way less drag. That's it for this lesson. I hope you have a better understanding about parasite drag. In the next video, we will be talking about induced drag and wave drag. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to follow up. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, any suggestions, write them down in the comments below. Share the video with your friends, and I will see you next lesson.